Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning. I hope you're all doing well and being safe. Today we have the unboxing of the Edgar Allan Poe Tarot. This is the kit that's going to have the deck, the book, and I'm sure the book's going to be great and give you enough for reading each card. But in case you really like it, you can get a softback book of the complete works of Edgar Allan Poe. This is an old copy, but you can find another one, soft paperback, on Amazon for under $20. And I mean, look, this is a big book. It has all the poems, stories, essays. So, just wanted to show you that. Let's take a look at the book, or the kit. How it's been got started, so it wouldn't have to fiddle with the scissors so long. Nice magnetic copy. So here's the book. Here's a deck. So I have to get out of that plastic. A scarab beetle with a pentacle on it. Very beautiful. So this is the nice magnetic box. Here's the back. This wasn't that hard. It had a little bit more plastic on the edge so I could pull it off. Oh, this is fully reversible. There have been some great stories of Edgar Allan Poe's made into movies with Vincent Price, and some of them even made into other things, just not quoting him. Probably the most famous is The Crow, Nevermore, Nevermore. Here's the Fool. So here's the Magician. Oh, those are pentacles. I thought it was little pumpkins for further away. Here's the High Priestess. Very beautiful. The Empress. And Edgar Allan Poe is the Emperor. The Ram's Heads. The Hierophant. Very cool, the Mummy. Here's the Lovers. Edgar Allan Poe is one of the lovers. Coming clearly. And the Angel is the Crow. The Chariot. Oh, I like this strength. He's riding the lion. He's like, come on, let's go. Hop on. The Hermit. He's got a little light in his fingers, I guess. The Wheel of Fortune with that beetle again, and a compass. And instead of that I was just thinking of the World card with, the 4 characters, the astrology signs, but that's not the wheel. I got ahead of myself. Justice. The scales look a little tilted here. Edgar Allan Poe stories are very dark. Ooh, this looks like Pit in the Pendulum. Vincent Price. Well, that's not Vincent Price, but it's a good movie with Vincent Price. Vincent Price and Edgar Allan Poe, very big in the goth world. Death. Oh, look at this temperance. Very cool. I love the balance of the water and the butterflies and the stars or magic sprinkling off them. Oh, this is the black cat. Read it. Read it in there. Oh, actually, this book here that comes with the deck. Or get a complete works of Edgar Allan Poe and read the whole story. The cat gets even. The Tower, blood moon in between. I don't see the regular symbols here. The wolf and the dog and the lobster or crawfish. The star, very magical looking. The moon. Oh, I got the tower confused with the moon. Okay, but still, it's not here in this one either. No wolf, no dog, no crawfish or lobster. Well, this is a very happy card, and the sun card is a very happy card. Bliss, vitality, judgment, rebirth, and they're completely naked. It's like in the movies, when they're picked up off the earth, their clothes fall down, but they go up. The world completion. So some of the regular symbols that we're used to aren't here, The big round laurel leaf, the Leo, the Taurus, Aries, and Scorpion. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. So all these have some story, and they'll be in this book. Three of Wands is when you're expecting to see your ships coming in. This ship's having a hard time coming in. Wands about business, starting a business, a passion. Oh, here's the home, the Four of Wands. Usually celebration, but she looks dead. Looks like she's up in heaven with her mother. So it's not a celebration or a marriage in this picture. It's home. Five of Wands. Always conflict. Six of Wands. He is the victor, I guess, right here. Usually he's on a horse with the laurel leaves. But these are very good descriptive pictures. I just get thrown when I don't see the symbols I'm used to. Seven of Wands. He's trying to make his boundaries with this big red dude. Eight of Wands. Travel. Could be an answer you're getting from those crows. Or the raven. That was what it's called in the book. Nine of Wands. Taking a break. 10 of Wands. Too much strapped to your back. And this guy, he's got it strapped to his back. Okay. This is a nice card. It's not so flimsy. Not like the Alice in Wonderland. I think this, not Rose, Eugene Smith did that Alice in Wonderland. I can't remember. But I don't see any missing edges, so looks like they did better with this deck. I mean, they really do a great job of putting these decks together. The kit with the book and the nice box. They just needed to put some more into the cardstock, and feels better. Page of Wands. Yeah, you can't bend it in half. Some of them you can just bend in half the whole deck. Hold it together like that. Knight of Wands. The orangutan looks pretty upset. Queen of Wands. Oh, she's got blood on her eye and her throat is slit. King of Wands. That is a gorgeous picture, you know. They're running through the fire. Ace of Cups. A new relationship. Could be romance, could be business, friendship, whatever. 3 Cups, your tribe, parting down with your tribe. 4 of Cups. This dude's needing to get grounded. He's seeing a therapist to help him. Boy, does he look like he has some serious anxiety. Lenore. Here's Edgar Allan Poe in the bereavement of this card. He's being bereaved. So we got 2 cups still upright. We got that symbol there. 6 of Cups, nostalgia. This kind of reminds me of the 7 of Cups. See? Having all these characters. Here they are in the 7 of Cups. Got the raven, the black cat, the heart, beetle, moth and eye. Oh, and the moon on this one. 8 of Cups. He's moving on. Can't fix that relationship. Whatever kind it was, you've got to just move on with it. It's just nothing you can do about it. 9 of Cups. This is contentment. Even with, you know, we got the skulls and all these cups, all these beautiful flowers and ivy and the lush green grass. This is contentment. 10 of Cups, a happy family. The wife looks happy in her garden. The husband with his cello or bass. No, I think it's cello. I think bass would be bigger. And they don't have any children in this. Page of Cups. There's the fish. What's in this cup? Oh, it looks like a heart, anatomically correct heart. Knight of Cups. Here's Prince Charming. He is very charming. Can charm you right out of your pants, or he can be the love of your life. Oh, they have these crypts like this in Louisiana because the ground is always so wet. Queen of Cups. She doesn't look like she's very in touch with her emotions. She looks like she's more in just touch with fear. King of Cups. He's the king. He looks like he's going to be in the pit in the pendulum. He gets put in a thing standing up like this, but inside the box has spikes and stuff. So when he closes on him, he bleeds. Ace of Swords, the raven. 2 of Swords, he's blindfolded. Oh, and here's the swords on the moth's wings for the indecision. 3 of Swords, we got the anatomically correct heart with 3 pieces of wood in there for the swords. 4 of Swords, rest and recuperation. 5 of Swords is always serious conflict. I mean, this guy, he looks like he chopped himself up. Six of Swords, leaving troubled water for smooth water. You usually have to go through some therapy once you leave the situation to let it go, because you're traveling with all that has gone on with you. They show you that with the swords being in the boat with you. Seven of Swords, deceit. He's probably not an honest chess player. Eight of Swords. Look, he is not bound by these swords. His eyes aren't even covered. He only thinks he's bound in his mind. He's just got to slow down and think things through, and he'll get out of there. Nine of Swords, anxiety, nightmares, depression. It can lead to depression. 10 of Swords, betrayal. I guess this house has been betrayed, not the person. It always means the situation, friendship, business, whatever it is, relationship, you cannot trust this person. This is the 10. So we're at the end of the suit. You got to move on. There is no working things out with that person. It's too big of a betrayal. Page of Swords. She's new, going to university. She's young. New way of looking at things, studying something new. Knight of Swords. Now, this is always such an action-packed card. They're not showing it to us with wind, in the horse's hair and his hair. But they're showing all this dirt everywhere. There's stuff here, dirt there. He's just been through a whole bunch. Dirt on his pants. He's just come out of all that hastiness. The Queen of Swords, smart lady, quick-witted. And she is very caring, but sometimes she seems very cold. She doesn't have a lot of patience. Here's the King. What does it say up there? Oh, Rue Morgue. Rue is the street, means street. And morgue for mortuary. Ace of Pentacles. Here we got the scarab beetle with the pentacle on his back. Oh, this is very cool. We're at a cafe. He's balancing the pentacles. One on a tray and one on a book. He's standing with feet both firmly planted on the ground. So he is balancing those pentacles, money, time, whatever it is. He's got it. Three of Pentacles. Here we got collaboration. They're all working together. Looks like the bats are wearing pentacles in this. No, it's a scarab still. Four of Pentacles. So this doesn't have that feeling of hoarding so much, holding it so tight to your chest. This is more your budgeting. Okay, I got this to spend. This needs to go in the bank. This can go for bills. Five of Pentacles, isolation. Look, he took his friend's head. He's not isolated. He's got his friend, even if it's just his head. And you need help, just go. The church is open. The lights are on. Don't keep your head looking down. Look around. There's help out there for you. Six of Pentacles. Here we have the sharing of resources. Seven of Pentacles. This is the harvesting. He is harvested. He's got, you just have to wait for it to come in. You put the seeds in the ground, they grow to whatever your business is, maybe hookah, tobacco. He's got his harem lady here, taking care of his every whim. Patience is about that card. No instant gratification. Eight of Pentacles, mastering your skill. And his skill is obviously writing. We got Edgar again. Nine of Pentacles. This is the luxury card. You have worked hard. You have saved. You can take some time off. Enjoy what you've worked so hard for. 10 of Pentacles. This is inheritance, retirement money, family legacy, what they've left you. It could be what they left you money-wise. It could be health legacy they've left you. Addiction legacy. I mean, Pentacles have so much they deal with. Maybe you're a great farmer because, you know, the earth, Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. He is starting a new job. He looks much older than the pages usually do. Knight. Oh, I love this picture with the little pug dog, or not a bulldog. It's kind of got a post nose, and a cat. Now this knight is the slowest knight of the deck. He thinks things through. He knows pretty much is what's going to happen. He doesn't want to be rushed into something and make a foolish choice. This is a guy you can trust. Queen of Pentacles. Now she's always she can handle anything. She can make the money, bring it home, take care of the family, the house. But she looks like, her face, she looks up to something. I can't think of what this one's from, so we'll find out in the book. And the King of Pentacles. He creates businesses. He's the CEO. He takes care of everything. So let's give these a little shuffle and pick a card to look at. Oops. Those are my dogs. Okay, these are very glossy, so they do want to slide a lot. Push that book out of the way. Nine of Cups. So let's take a look inside this book. Llewellyn makes some beautiful books. Their kits are just gorgeous. So this is Cups 129. Introduction. Guidance. How to read the cards. The basic stuff that's in most of the books. Six of Cups. Where's my... We're almost there. Nine of Cups. Here's our card. See a full page of the card. Big, so you can really look at it in detail. The Telltale Heart. In the story of Eleanor finds happiness with the kind-hearted man. All aspects of her life have aligned. She has found the love of her life and lives in paradise called the Valley of Many-Colored Grass. In the image, Eleanor stands in an expansive field of rolling hills with blue skies above. The beauty in the scene reflects the satisfaction she feels deep within. Eleanor holds two chalices overflowing with ivy flowers, Carved into chalices are the skulls, indicating the change is ahead. Eleanor is sick and made perfect in loveliness only to die. Poe wouldn't have it any other way. Ivies flow down to her feet, snakes around even the chalices. I didn't see the snakes. I still don't see them. So the ivy flows down to her feet and snakes around 7 chalices. Oh, the ivy is snaking. Okay. Around 7 chalices that rest in the grass. These chalices also brim with flowers and ivy. Ivy is symbolic of love and eternity, fidelity that Eleanor expects from her husband and which she faithfully provides. Gray clouds gather in the distance, indicating that happiness and fortune is never permanent. Time marches on. Changes will occur. Work must always be done to maintain contentment. Okay, here's the into the Maelstrom. Your hopes, wishes, and dreams are coming to fruition. You have had a vision for what you wanted, and you work hard to achieve it. Now you are enjoying the fruits of your labor. Sorry, I have to talk over the dogs. You feel proud and grateful. You have supported you needed to reach your goals. You recognize that you have a lot to be thankful for. You're in position that many can only dream of. Sit back, soak in the accolades, and revel in the feeling of pure joy. Contentment is yours. All facets of your life have aligned. You wonder how in the world all this happened. Through your belief and action, you made it happen. But be sure to get back to work when duty calls. You're not yet at the point of completion that will arrive with the 10 of Cups. Upright, happiness, satisfaction, wishes fulfilled, blessings, pleasure, abundance, indulgent, bliss, success. Reverse, dissatisfaction, ego-driven, laziness, overindulgent, emptiness, melancholy, discouraged, unrealistic goals. So this gives you, plenty of the story to, so you can understand it. But if you find you really love it, you can go buy at Amazon the complete works of Edgar Allan Poe and get the whole story or the whole poem if you fall in love with it. So, let's see if this probably has, spreads out in it in the back. I can smell the newness of the book already. Okay. Here we go, spreads. Basic spreads, the 1 card spread. Past, present, future, the 3 cards. The fan. Yes, no spread. Edgar Allan Poe spreads. The Raven spread. The Telltale Heart spread. Dream within a dream spread. What your dream means, the higher meaning to your dream, spiritual lesson of your dream. Cool. The conclusion. I'll read the conclusion. It's not like some really long thing. I hope you've enjoyed your journey into the macabre and intriguing world of Edgar Allan Poe in conjunction with tarot, but just because our time to part ways doesn't mean your adventures with Poe or tarot must end. If you've only read the fraction of Poe's works, think of this book as an introduction to the breadth of his works. It has been my mission to illuminate the obscure, fascinating, humorous among them. If you're a Poe connoisseur, I hope that you've seen his works anew through the combination of tarot and his tales. As an admirer of Poe's writings and Poe himself, it is my wish to shed light on his many facets, from his dry wit to piercing logic to the depths of his romantic heart. Like all of us, Poe was human, although it can be difficult to see past his iconic works and infamous reputation. He was not a depressed, hopeless drunkard his foes describe him as. Indeed, he was a genius, some say a prophet, whose ideas were ahead of his time. That is why it is so important to take Poe, the man, and his body of work as a whole, to explore the many different sides of his fascinating, powerful scribe. The depths of the symbolism, the meaning of Poe's work in tarot is so deep and that I hope you have uncovered at least a fraction of what could potentially be unearthed in their combination. For my part, it is my aim to have done the project justice. Thank you for joining me. Until we meet again, your exploration in fiction, poetry, and tarot as you dive deeper into the Maelstrom. Oh, I think I'm going to enjoy reading this. Probably read many of the books, the stories and poems and essays again. This is a great deck. So if you find yourself in love with it, go to Amazon and get yourself a paperback copy. It won't be this one because this is the old one. I even covered this, with thick plastic to keep my cover nice. But there are, under $20 paperback, the complete unabridged works of Poe. And it's just beautiful. Great art. The book is enjoyable. This will be great to read with. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all stay safe and are having a great day. Well, thank you, everybody. Take care. And then we'll talk to you later. Bye.